Welcome, traders, to another Tickmill trading update with me, Patrick Munley. Just want to put a couple of updates in with respect to some of the key charts in play at the moment. Off for a long weekend myself, so won't be online Friday or Monday. Back for the London Open on Tuesday. Obviously, overnight, Nvidia earnings came out, and the market has received them warmly. So just want to update the emini S&P 500 view. We are currently trading into a double/triple top scenario here. Got some momentum divergence in play. But for me, as long as we maintain the 50-30, 50-36 area as support on any weakness here, I'm looking for an extension up through the 5100. And as I mentioned last time, this 5169, 5170 area is going to be key on the weekly time frame. The yearly R1 in play there. And I would certainly be looking to fade any move into there. We also now have ascending trend line resistance coming in at that area. So it's remain on the long side above 50-30, looking for 5100. Monthly projected range resistance 5130s, but ultimately looking for a ping of that 5160, 5170, and looking for a pullback from there. Certainly we'd think about a retest of these prior all-time highs at the 5067. But if we can get through there, I think we get a move back down into the 4950s and ascending trendline support coming in at 4916. So it's going to be a key test as we trade into that area. Now, if we don't hold the 50-30s, then we can assume a range play, and I will be looking for a pullback initially back into the 4960, 4940 area before once again trying to mount an assault on that 5170. Let's take a quick look at a couple of other charts here that have caught my attention. Bitcoin in play. We are on the weekly time frame testing projected trend channel resistance, but I think we still have scope to the upside here based on the structure. We have a 1-2. This would be 3-4, and we're looking for fifth wave extension here. So I'm either looking for any pullbacks into the 50,370 area, watching bullish reversal patterns there to engage on the long side. I'm looking for a test initially of that 55,000 level. Alternatively, any break of 53,000 on a closing basis to the upside, again, engage on the long side, looking for that 55,000 as the next key area to target on the upside. Last but not least, looking at gold here, and we have a potential bullish scenario developing. We've seen some weakness in the dollar overnight, obviously, on the given the risk on flows that we've seen in the market. But I think with respect to the gold chart at the moment, any move through the 2045, we should see 2050s. Any pullbacks, I think this internal trend channel support now should be meaningful. So I'd be looking at any pullbacks that are into the 2030, or if we test that 2050, pullbacks into the 2035 area. I want to engage on the long side. I'm looking for a breakout through on the weekly time frame here. You can see we've got this triangle. We still have that unchecked equality objective versus the 1820s swing low, which gives us a 2290 upside objective. So looking for longs, initially targeting monthly projected range resistance 2083. And then as we continue to find support, then I'd be looking for this 2290. At this stage, we're going to need to see a close back through the 1990 area to suggest more downside in gold. And then we would be looking at this weekly trend line support that comes in at 1915 as the next area to re-engage on the long side. As always, traders, plan the trade the plan, and most importantly, manage your risk. Until next time, thanks very much.